Adding your Squarespace domain onto Vercel actually is quite easy. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. First of all, open up the Vercel dashboard and then select the project where you want to add your domain onto. Then select domains on the top right here. Head back to Squarespace domains, select the domain which you want to connect, and then, this is really important, head to the DNS settings, which you can find right here on the left. Under DNS settings, first of all, I'm going to delete all of the default domains which I have currently added. And now we can actually add our custom records to connect our domain. But what custom records should we add? Well, for that, head back to Vercel, click on Add Domain, and then input your domain right here. So for me, this would be this domain. If you do want to change the function of this, you can do so right here. But essentially, click on Save, and this is now going to give us two different DNS settings which we can actually add. So the first one is going to be a CNAME with this host and this value. To actually add this on Squarespace, click on Add Record. For the host, this is going to be an add. For the host, this is going to be www. The type is a CNAME, so I'm going to select that. As for the TTL, you can also just leave this at the default, and then make sure to copy the value and insert it right here. Click on Save, and then repeat this process, and the second one is going to be an A record. And now head back to Vercel, and right here you can then find that the name / host is going to be an add, and the actual value is going to be this right here. So make sure to save this. This is going to be the IP address, and now this has been updated. Now, as you can see, we can now refresh this. However, usually this is going to take a couple of minutes to hours to actually update, so make sure to keep that in mind. But if you follow the steps, you're 100% set up and you don't have to do anything else. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.